Tap the notification bell to never miss a video.
You gotta help me, man! My tie is evil and it's gonna kill me! Please don't hurt me! Hey, guy. Hey, smell my flower.
Mmm.
I can't wait to eat this bagel!
Yes, you can.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Marmite, why does no one like you? Oh, yeah.
Screw gravity. Don't even think about it.
Hey, guys, check out my new camera. Oh, wait, this isn't the camera.
The Science Show!
Pianos! Whose idea was this?
This is a robbery. Oh.
I wanna be a pie! Billy, no! It worked! My time machine worked!
I am a Stegosaurus.
Quick, shoot me in the face! Alien attack!
Roll the cheese!
When I grow up, I want to go to the moon!
Why wait?
Sir, you appear to have a very severe case of baby voice.
Oh man, you ever gonna run out of muffins?
No, because I work at the muffin factory.
I'm gonna punch you in the face!
But it's opposite day.
Oh no!
Do you ever get tired of being random? Me neither.
Hey, you got a license for that?
You'll never take me alive!
Quick, don't think about cats!
Is anybody here a doctor? I am. Well, you're a nerd!
Hey, buddy, you want to take this outside?
Sure!
Wow, what a lovely evening!
This was a really good idea!
I am a very tall midget.
Hey, want a banana? What? No, turn it back!
Who wants a muffin?
I am depressed.
Suddenly, pineapples.
This does not help.
What's going on, guys?
Larry, this is an intervention. You need to stop breaking people's necks.
What are you talking about?
Larry!
What?
Larry!
Hey, cool hat.
Happy birthday!
It's a boy! Sir, I'm afraid you have brain cancer.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Well, the good news is you don't have brain cancer anymore.
You're adopted!
You darn kids, get off my property! Are you hungry? No, I'm crazy! Ooh, I wonder what this does. Oh, I'm gay now. Huh.
No! Don't jump! Okay, now jump!
Cannonball!
Have you seen my lemons? I want my lemons.
I'm feeling car sick.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And now, the award for best sarcasm goes to this guy.
Oh wow, thank you so much!
A knife! My favorite!
Good news, we were able to save your legs. And here they are.
Phew, I almost got shot.
Hey, can you hold my baby?
No, apparently not. Boss, what are we gonna do about all these gangsters? Don't worry, we got a man on the inside. Hello, yes, I am real man. I love to do the crime.
Watch out for that kitten!
Oh, that doesn't sound so bad.
High five!
100.
Come out with your hands up!
I'm gay.
What's for dinner? My favorite!
You want some spaghetti? I find you guilty of nothing. The sentence is death.
Egg.
Stop turning people into
Egg.
Yeah, can I get, death? What?
Make me a drink! Yeah!
What do we want?
Death!
Where do we want it?
Hey guys, sorry I'm late.
I'm bored.
And what would Sir like?
I'd like you to leave my house.
No! Ah! That was really loud. Oh.
Who ordered pizza?
Oh, my pizza! Muffin Time, the Asda movie themed card game, is out now. Collect and play action, counter, and trap cards to battle your friends in a chaotic game of luck and wits. Be the first to collect and keep 10 cards to win, but with over 100 unique cards in each box, anything can and probably will happen. Find out where you can get Muffin Time at muffintimegame.com.